A beaming Vikas serving sweets in his office when Sunil asks him the occasion for celebration. Vikas says his son got admission in ABC College in Pune. So how did Vikas manage the fee? Asked Sunil. Vikas says he just took a loan against a mutual fund he was invested in. A surprised Sunil asked a loan against mutual funds. I didn't know that, says Sunil. He asks him to explain how can one get a loan against mutual funds. Vikas proved that mutual funds are not only good for investments but also for taking loans. Vikas fulfilled his sudden financial requirement with mutual funds. He has been investing in mutual funds for the past 5 years. He has accumulated a corpus of approximately 5 lakh rupees. Without withdrawing a single penny from his corpus, Vikas put up loan request with his bank. He got a loan against his mutual fund through an overdraft. Overdraft means getting approval for loan. It can be used by Vikas in one go, or he can withdraw the money at different times. The interest will be levied on the amount taken as loan from the overdraft.
You can fulfill all your financial needs that you meet through a personal loan with a mutual fund loan. A personal loan is an unsecured loan. You do not give any security. A house or a car loan is a secured loan because you keep a mortgage. But when you do not buy any asset and need money for some work, such as for your child's admission, then investing in a mutual fund serves as a guarantee or a collateral.
Now let's see how interest is calculated on a mutual fund loan. Mutual fund loan is a secured loan. That is why it is cheaper than personal loan. Major institutions are charging interest in the range of 9 to 13% per annum on such types of loans. If Vikas uses a credit card or takes a personal loan, he may have to pay an interest rate of 14 to 36%. Adding to that, once the money is arranged, Vikas can repay his loan anytime. Most banks and finance companies do not charge any fees for prepayment or foreclosure. The amount of loan that Vikas receives against his mutual fund will depend on his portfolio composition and the fund scheme. Most institutions provide loans of up to 50% on equity funds and up to 80% on debt funds. All of Vikas's money is invested in debt funds. Therefore, he can get a loan of up to 4 lakh rupees as an overdraft. If Vikas only needs 80,000 rupees, his eligibility is much higher than that. He will easily receive the money. The unique thing about this loan is that even after the loan is sanctioned, Vikas will remain the owner of his mutual fund. He will continue to get returns on his investment. He will also keep getting credit of dividend even if all the units are put as collateral. However, he will not be able to redeem his mutual fund units before he repays his loan. The bank will block the pledged securities. Once the loan is completely repaid, the securities will mature. Typically, such loans are given a duration of 1 year. Banks can also levy interest on the OD, or banks will give the option of making interest payment every month. If Vikas takes a loan of only 80,000 rupees, he will have to pay interest on a regular basis.
म्यूचुअल फंड पर जब आप लोन लेते हैं तो इसको अच्छी तरह से परख लें। पहले दूसरे विकल्प अगर मौजूद हैं तो उनको चुनें। म्यूचुअल फंड पर लोन आपका सबसे आखिरी विकल्प होना चाहिए। ये लोन आपको जनरली ओडी के रूप में मिलता है, यानी कि ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी। आप जितना यूटिलाइज करेंगे उसके हिसाब से आपको ब्याज देना होगा, लेकिन ये शॉर्ट टर्म लोन होता है। जनरली 1 साल तक आपको म्यूचुअल फंड पर लोन मिलता है। इसके बाद आपको ओडी फैसिलिटी रिन्यू करनी होती है। जितनी बार रिन्यू करेंगे उतनी बार प्रोसेसिंग फीस लगेगी। दूसरा, अगर आपको कैश दिखाई दे रहा है और आपकी ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा है तो आप कहीं ना कहीं उसको यूटिलाइज कर लेंगे। तो नतीजन आप ज़्यादा पैसा यूटिलाइज कर लेते हैं, ज़्यादा ब्याज देते हैं, और हर बार जब भी आप रिन्यू करते हैं तो आप जो है कॉस्ट देते हैं।
Now, one should consider taking a loan on a mutual fund only when there is no other alternative. Such types of loans are not for any specific purpose but only to fulfill personal needs. The amount of the loan should be chosen based on requirements. People generally use this option when they have money in their bank accounts. However, they may find it difficult to repay the loan later. Also, the bank charges a processing fee. It is based on the amount of the loan. It can be up to 1% of the total loan. The bank will also charge a renewal fee at the time of renewal.
So what did Vikas do? Vikas was eligible for an overdraft of 4 lakh rupees against his mutual fund. He needed 80,000 rupees. He took an OD of 1,50,000 rupees according to his requirement. He made a payment of 80,000 rupees for his son's admission. The rest of the amount he is using to pay interest. He intends to repay the loan within a year. If he does not repay the loan within that time period, he will have to pay a processing fee on the entire approved amount of the OD. Vikas showed prudence by taking a loan amount that he needed despite being eligible for a larger amount.